Hello everyone, welcome to the first video in our ChatGPT tutorial series. In this video, we're starting from the very basics, discussing what AI and GPT are. So if you've ever heard terms like AI or ChatGPT, but still feel unsure about what they actually mean, you're in the right place. First, let's talk about AI. AI stands for Artificial Intelligence. Simply put, AI is technology designed to mimic how humans think and make decisions. In other words, AI enables machines to perform tasks that usually require human intelligence, such as understanding language, solving problems, or even playing chess. There are many types of AI, ranging from simple ones like customer service chatbots to highly complex systems like self-driving cars. And the exciting thing is that AI is advancing rapidly, having a huge impact on almost every aspect of our lives, from education to business. Next, let's discuss GPT. GPT stands for Generative Pre-trained Transformer. It might sound technical, but don't worry, I'll explain it simply. GPT is an AI-based language model created by OpenAI. Its main function is to process text and generate responses based on the given input. For instance, when you type a question, GPT will try to understand the context of that question and then provide a relevant and natural answer. The word generative means this model can generate something like text, stories, or even program code. Pre-trained means the model has been trained on an enormous dataset, which includes various books, articles, and other information available on the internet. Lastly, transformer refers to an AI architecture that allows GPT to understand the context of a text better. So what makes GPT special? It's because it can adapt to a wide range of needs. Want to write a story? It can do that. Need help with studying? It can do that too. GPT can even be used for technical purposes like coding or data analysis. In short, GPT is one of the greatest achievements in AI today. So that's a brief explanation of AI and GPT. AI is the technology that makes machines intelligent, while GPT is an example of AI technology focused on language processing. In the upcoming videos, we'll learn the difference between GPT 3.5 free version versus GPT for paid version. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you won't miss out. See you in the next video.